Welcome back students. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is sequence, and it is the fundamental topic for the arithmetic progression chapter. Before starting the arithmetic progression we should know about the sequence. So first we should consider what is sequence. So basically sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some particular rule. मीन्स एक ऐसा नंबर का सीक्वेंस जो आपका एक डेफिनेट ऑर्डर को फॉलो करता है और एक पर्टिकुलर रूल के अकॉर्डिंग हम उसमें नंबर्स को अरेंज करेंगे. सो दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज द सीक्वेंस. नाउ बेसिकली व्हेन वी रिप्रेजेंट एनी सीक्वेंस, तो सीक्वेंस में हम जो नंबर्स लेते हैं उन नंबर्स को हम एक पर्टिकुलर नेम देते हैं, एंड दीज वेरियस नंबर्स which are occurring in a sequence, these are known as the terms. Let we have a sequence like a1, a2, a3, a4 up to an. So here basically a1 is the first number, or you can say number as the first position, so it is considered as the first term. Similarly a2 is the second number, or we can say it is the number at the second position, so it is considered as the second term. Similarly a3 is the third term, a4 is the fourth term, and now the last term is here an. So basically an is the nth number, or we can say it is the number at the nth position, so it is considered as the nth term. Now this nth term it is also considered as the general term. इसको हम यहाँ पर जनरल टर्म भी डिफाइन करते हैं. जनरल टर्म a1 is considered as, this is known as the first term, a2 is considered as the second term. So the various numbers which are using in a sequence, these are considered as the term. Now after that we will define some basic examples on this topic. So we are considering an example. So here we have given an example. A sequence is defined as a1 is equal to 1, an is equal to 3 an minus 1 plus 1. Then find the first four terms of sequence. So first we have given, जो भी हमें यहाँ पर information given है उसको हम consider करेंगे. So here we have given a1 is equal to 1 and an, that is 3 an minus 1 plus of 1. So here basically this an, it is representing the general term. This is considered as general term. So for obtaining the first four term we will put the value of n, 2, 3 and 4, and we will get the first four term. So now putting n is equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5. So basically we have to just find the first four term, and first term we have already given, so we will find only three terms. So we will put the n is equal to 2, 3 and 4. So for n is equal to 2, जो हमें यहाँ पर जनरल टर्म गिवन है उसमें हम n is equal to 2 प्लेस करेंगे. सो इट कैन बी गिवन एज an, it can be written as a2 is equal to 3 a2 minus 1 plus of 1. So when we simplified it, so it can be written as 3 a1 plus of 1. Now a1 का वैल्यू हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है, सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 3 into what is the value of a1, that is given 1. So here we can write it 3 into 1, and that can be written as 3 into 1 plus 1. So this comes out 4. Now for n is equal to 2, for n is equal to 2, we can write here, sorry, for n is equal to 3. Now we have already calculated for n is equal to 2. Now we will calculate for n is equal to 3. So this can be written as a3 is equal to 3 a3 minus 1 plus of 1. So this can be written as 3 a2 plus of 1. So this comes out 3, a2 का वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पर फाइंड कर लिया है. Of course it is given as 4, so this comes out 3 into 4 plus 1. So 4 3s are 12 and 1 that can be 13. Now similarly we can obtain it for n is equal to 4. So for n is equal to 4 we can write it a4 is equal to 3 a4 minus 1 plus of 1. So that can be written as 3 a3 plus of 1. So this comes out 3 a3 का वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पर ऑब्टेन कर लिया है. Of course it is 13. So plus 1. So it comes out 13 3s are 39 और 1 40. So स्टूडेंट्स इस तरीके से हमने यहाँ पर एक गिवन सीक्वेंस के लिए फर्स्ट 4 टर्म ऑब्टेन कर लिए हैं. ऑब्वियसली हमें यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टर्म ऑलरेडी गिवन है a1. सो हमने यहाँ पर सेकंड थर्ड और फोर्थ टर्म को ऑब्टेन कर लिया है. सो हेयर वी कैन से द फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स ऑफ सीक्वेंस आर. सो फर्स्ट 4 terms of sequence are, these are given as, first term is already given, that is 1, second term is 4, third term is 13 and fourth term is 14. So these are the required first 4 terms of given sequence. So एक और एग्जाम्पल हम कंसीडर करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल. राइट द फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स ऑफ द सीक्वेंस डिफाइंड बाई ए एन इज इक्वल टू -1 to the power n minus 1 into 2 to the power n. So first we will define the given values. So here we have given a n is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 2 to the power n. So again it is considered as the general term. Now for obtaining the first 5 term we will put the value of n 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now putting n is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5. So for n is equal to 1 what we will write it? We can write it a1. So it can be written as a1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 into 2 to the power 1. So of course this comes out minus 1 to the power 0 into 2 to the power 1 means 2. So it can be given as, किसी भी नंबर का पावर 0 कितना होता है, that is 1. So it can be given as 2. Now after that we will put n is equal to 2. So it can be written as a2 is equal to minus 1 to the power, n को हम यहाँ पर 2 से रिप्लेस करेंगे. So this is 2 minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So of course this comes out minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1. This can be written as minus of 1 to the power 1 into 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 4. So of course it comes out minus 1 to the power 1. Of course it will be minus 1. So this can be written as minus of 4. Now for n is equal to 3 we can write here a3. So a3 can be given as minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 into 2 to the power 3. So this can be written as minus of 1 to the power 2 और minus 1 square into 2 का क्यूब हो जाएगा 8. So minus 1 का पावर 2 और minus 1 का स्क्वायर that will be 1. So it can be written as final value will be 8. Now similarly we can calculate for n is equal to 4. So here we can write a4 is equal to minus of 1 to the power 4 minus 1 into 2 to the power 4. So this can be written as minus 1 cube into 2 to the power 4. Of course it will be 16. Now -1 की ऑड पावर है यहाँ पर, सो दिस विल बी -1, सो दिस कम्स आउट minus of 16. Similarly, we will find a5. So a5 can be written as minus of 1 to the power 5 minus 1 into 2 to the power 5. So of course it can be written as minus of 1 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5, that can be written as 32. So that can be written as 32 because minus 1 to the power 4 it is even power, so it will be 1. So students, like this process we can find the first 5 term for the given sequence. So here we can write, so first 5 terms for sequence are, that will be 2 minus 4 8 minus 16 and 32. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरीके से हम इस क्वेश्चन को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी कैन वॉच वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हेयर वी हैव गिवन वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. फाइंड द नेक्स्ट 5 टर्म्स ऑफ सीक्वेंस फॉर विच a1 is equal to -1 and an is equal to an minus 1 divided over n. So देखिए इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट डाउन द जनरल टर्म. सो हेयर जनरल टर्म इज गिवन एज a1, that is of course 1, and after that an, the value of general term it is given as an is equal to an minus 1 over n. So of course we have to find the first 5 term, sorry next 5 terms हमें यहाँ पर find करने हैं. So next 5 terms means we will start from a2. So we will put here value of n 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now putting n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now we will find the a2, means for n is equal to 2. So a2 is given as a 2 minus 1 over 2. So of course it can be written as a1 over 2, and we have already given the value of a1. Of course it is 1. We have given a1 is equal to -1. So we will put here -1 over 2. So of course this is the value of a2. Now a3, it can be given as a3 minus 1 divided over 3. So this comes out a2 divided over 3. Now we have given value of a2. हमने यहाँ पर a2 का वैल्यू फाइंड कर लिया है. Of course it is -1/2. So it can be written as minus of 1 over 2 into 3. So this comes out minus of 1 over 6. So इस तरीके से हमने यहाँ पर a3 फाइंड कर लिया. Now for a4, it can be given as a4 is equal to a4 minus 1 divided over 4. So this comes out a3 over 4. So value of a3 is of course -1/6. So this is -1 over 6 into 4. So of course this value comes out minus of 1 over 24. Now again next term will be a5. So a5 is given as a 5 minus 1 divided over 5. So this comes out a4 divided over 5. So it can be given as A4 का वैल्यू हमने पहले ही ऑब्टेन कर लिया है, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ -1/24, सो -1/24 into 5, so this comes out minus of 1/120. Similarly we can find A6, so A6 given as A6 minus 1/6, so this comes out A5/6, so A5 का वैल्यू यहाँ पर गिवन है -1/120, so -1/120 into 6, so this value comes out minus of 1/720. So like that we have find next 5 terms for the sequence. So here we can write, so next 5 terms of sequence are, A2 से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर, माइनस ऑफ 1/2 माइनस 1/6 माइनस 1/24 माइनस 1/120 and minus 1/720. So these are the next 5 terms for the given sequence. So students, like that we can solve so many examples for the sequence, and that particular topic will be very beneficial for the upcoming chapter, that is arithmetic progression. So students, if you like this video, आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, and for the upcoming videos of arithmetic progression we will get the next videos.